Now we're looking at a 2007 International 4400. Stock number 078134. It's got a DT 466 engine in it, 260 horsepower, 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, power steering, air brakes, air conditioned cruise control, AM, FM, CD radio, power divider lock, power mirrors, block heater, 250-gallon aluminum fuel tanks located on each side of the truck. Tires are 295/75R 22.5 on steel butts, 50% tread in the front and 70% tread in the rear. It's got 4 airbag ride suspension on it. Mounted on this truck we have a 2004 Trans-Tech 3600-gallon 3-compartment aluminum tank. Compartment sizes are 1800, 600, and 1200. DOT spec for this is 406. It's got 2.5-inch Blackmer pumps. Sorry, 2.5-inch Blackmer pump. 2-inch Neptune meter and register located in the back. Take a better look at it. It's got auto stop and a ticket printer. We got an electric Hannay, a new Hannay electric hose reel with 120 feet of 1.25-inch hose and a Scully nozzle. There's air operated internal valves. It's got your HotShift PTO located here. Your button for your electric hose reel. It's got 5,000 hours on it and 179,000 miles. If you have any questions about this 2007 International 4400, stock number 078134, give us a call at 865-524-5678 or check out our website at petroleumtrucks.net.